Hi guys, some days ago I have made a video about the performance results, backtesting of the trend following trading system for the 10 biggest companies in the S&P 500, and today I have made the same calculations, yes, for the cryptocurrencies. So the date for the backtest is starting date is 6th of August 2017, and the last day is 21 of May 2022. And here is results for 10 biggest, excluding stable coins certainly. 10 biggest tokens, 10 biggest coins, cryptocurrencies. So if we start from the Bitcoin, it was 425 deals, and the profitable deals 50%, 60%, excuse me. The mathematical expectation is 7.5%. Total gross 3,212%, 90, not 12, 19. And profit factor is 2.44, and profit factor for the relationships between the maximum profit from most profitable deal to the maximum drawdown from the deal with most losses is 1.87, and it has given us the very good understanding of the influencing of the most profitable deals for our results, our performance. So here we also have three different groups. In the first group it is leader, so it's just one company, one coin. It's a hex to the USD, and here we have 227 deals, not so much, 62% of profitable, and mathematical expectation is 38.5% at average. It's a very good result, and thanks to these amazing average relationships, average mathematical expectation, the total gross is 8,747%, and the profit factor is also maximum, certainly 4.59, and the profit factor for the maximum profit to maximum drawdown 7.6. Amazingly excellent results. I think that everybody is, that will be happy to take part in such events as it was with Hex during the last 5 years ago. So the dog on the second position with 7,445%, and the profit factor 3.87, but we have the Solana that is not so profitable maybe, but the profit factor is very good. For me, the profit factor is highly important measurement of the quality of your trading system. It's perfectly describing you what is your reasons to expect the good future from your operations. And the worst stock is XRP XRP, 235 deals, 40% of the profitable only, and mathematical expectation is 4.8 and just 1,134%, and the profit factor 1.39, and that is very poor profit factor. You know that it's very uncomfortable psychologically, and this connection I will never recommend to trade the trading system with less than 2, profit factor less than 2. So the total figures, total number of deals, 2,990 average profitable deals, probability of profitable deals 56%, average mathematical expectation almost 19%, and the average profit growth is 4,484%, and the total growth is 56,484%. But this system is based, money management of this system, mostly based on the parameting of your position. And this connection, it's impossible to invest 100 of capital in each deal. So if we will invest in each deal just 1% of our total capital, the expected profit will be 565% during this period. And the average profit factor is 3.2, and maximum drawdown, average figures for the maximum drawdown to the maximum profitable deal to maximum drawdown from one deal is 4.3. But we need to talk about risks, certainly. First of all, it's not recommendation, it's just a calculation for comparison and for the academical tasks, for educational tasks maybe. So if we will take a look for this trading system, which is built in the Python, I'm using amazingly excellent for this Google Collaboratorium notebook, and we will see that not all periods certainly are the same. So I have decided here, just a second. Okay, we will try to take another period of time. For example, approximately 1 year, the last year, a little bit less than 1 year, because I prefer to take the random date, which are not so perfectly close to the. Oh, sorry. Okay. Not this way. Oh, come on. Okay, but these calculations were made before that, and you see that it will be different, amazingly different from the total results from this period of time. You see that the profitable trading system on the 5 years term horizons will be not so hugely, and will have losses during the last year. So it was 43 deals, 25.5% of profitable, minus 4.4% the mathematical expectation, and minus 191%. It's a result of the total losses from all the deals. So in this connection, we need to say that risks are always much more important than our expectation. The only positive result for us is that we had a very strong correction on the Bitcoin market, and maybe it will be even more strong correction. And after correction, it's much more interesting to use the trading system, because you know that you see that it's amazingly interesting to buy stocks after correction, not on the when they have growth seriously, such as during this period of time, for example, yes, or maybe this period of time. Certainly, it's becoming understandable just after correction will happen, but from the other side, we can see that on the such developing markets as the cryptocurrencies market, the big jumps and the big exponential jumps are finishing with the strong corrections and the diffusions. In this case, you need to be highly attentive. So I hope that maybe the Bitcoin is going even more down to give us the better chances to buy it on the reasonable prices. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope that this information will be useful for you, and in many cases it's talking us that the risks which we have on the market are not the reason to stay away from the markets at all, but timing becoming an amazingly important component of our strategy of for crypto market. We need to talk about gambling, but not about investing, because in many reasons the cryptocurrencies market is just the gaming and gambling, but not any kind of the financial reasonable activity. In this case, we need to include it in our risks also. The Luna situation, for example, just a second, the Luna situation is talking us about it amazingly seriously, yeah. just in 1 month, we can lose everything, 99.96%. Everything we lost just in 1 month. And even more we lost during the 3 months. But when we have risks, we have opportunities. The only timing is highly important, and the useful strategies are also. Thank you very much for your attention. Have a good day. I will be thanks a lot for your videos about the different trading systems, because it's highly important for me exactly about the building trading systems in the Python. So thanks a lot. Have a good day. Bye bye.